Are you struggling with trust? Are you having trust issues with someone that you really like, that you have strong feelings for, whether it's an ex, a specific person, or a brand new relationship? Are you feeling this uneasiness around the topic of trust, trusting them mentally, emotionally, even physically? How are you dealing with this? Now, if you feel these things and you feel that it is affecting you thinking that it's not going to work out, that they might not want you and that you may not be good enough for them, and you feel some level of insecurity, how do you actually practice trust? So this is a very important question in romantic relationships, and I think it is one that affects pretty much everybody, and it is something to ponder and to work out how to get better at this. Okay, so you can improve trust, and trust can be practiced in very simple ways and in gentle steps. And I'm going to share those 7 steps with you now. These are steps that I use myself and that I've continued to use over the years with my person, the romantic relationship that I'm in, and I've been in for 14 years this November coming. So this is what they are. 7 steps. Number 1, acknowledging your feelings. Okay, recognizing and accepting your fears and insecurities without judging yourself. Okay, it's okay to feel nervous. It's okay to feel doubt. It's okay to feel, oh, I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, and that just means that you really love and care. So nothing wrong with that. It's just acknowledge it to yourself. Number 2, focus on self-compassion, being kind to yourself, reminding yourself of your own worth, remembering that your self-love is what works to nurture not only yourself but the relationship, and that your qualities that you have, they make you unique and valuable. So rather than looking at it from a place of you got to fix yourself, you're too anxious, you're too insecure, you're too jealous, you're too this, you're too that, it's about saying to yourself, I am worthy and I'm deserving and I'm valuable, and changing your thoughts about yourself. Number 3, take small steps. So build the trust gradually. It's much easier to do that than saying to yourself, I have to trust now and I don't trust and I have to and I have to. That doesn't work. So start by sharing small thoughts or feelings with this person and then see how they respond. And this can help you feel more secure and build the trust so that you can share more things with them. And that helps to build the security in the relationship, the commitment in the relationship, the trust in the relationship. Number 4, challenging your negative thoughts. When doubts arise, try to reframe them, okay? Instead of thinking I'm not good enough, consider thinking I have qualities that make me special, I'm a wonderful person, I am lovable, those types of thoughts, and I deserve love and respect. So it's again changing your thinking in those moments to something that is more loving from you to you. That way, when you are discussing certain things or you're getting closer to someone, you will have that reflection back from them. You must do for yourself first what you would like to receive from another. Now, number 5, practice mindfulness. Stay present and avoid jumping to worst case scenarios, train wreck, and disaster thinking. Okay, mindfulness can help reduce your anxiety and keep you grounded. So it's keeping yourself in check and saying, that's not necessarily true. Let's see if we can think something better. Okay? Mindfulness, mindfulness, mindfulness. Number 6, accept uncertainty, understand that no relationship is guaranteed, and that's okay. It is trust that involves embracing some level of uncertainty while remaining open to possibilities. This is the world we live in. And it is about making peace with that and saying that that is okay. And I'm going to work with what I've got and who's in front of me, this person right now, and I want to really develop that in this dynamic with us. Number 7, build confidence. Engage in activities that make you feel good about yourself. And when you feel more confident, trusting others becomes easier, because the better you feel, the better thoughts you have. The better thoughts you have, it is easier to extend that to another person. When you don't trust yourself, if you have the belief, I don't trust myself, I don't trust God, I don't trust life, then you're constantly waiting for something to occur in the relationship. But if you say to yourself, I trust myself, I trust God, I trust life, that makes it so much easier to then have a better interaction with the other person. Okay? It's seeing what is and really making a decision to choose better thinking, to choose trust over distrust, to choose love over unlovedness. These are things we practice and we get better at over time. Okay, now, last little thing that I've written down. Remember, trust is a process, okay? It's okay to take it a step at a time, to build it slowly. Be patient with yourself. Be expecting the best rather than the worst, and know that your feelings are valid and so are theirs. And you deserve love and connection just as you are. Not, I have to be perfectly healed. And I'm hearing this a lot. I have to be perfectly healed, then I can have a relationship. I have to be perfectly healed and then I can get the job I want. No, you can look to attain those things even when you're still a work in progress. We all can deserve to have what we want now. But if you keep postponing it by saying, you know, I'll do my healing, and once I'm healed, then I will open myself to a relationship, or then I will make a good partner for this person, or then I will be the person who can get that amazing job. I can't have that now. But you're the one that shuts the door to it now if you have those thoughts, and you push and delay it into the future. So work in progress. We don't have to be perfect. We don't have to be, you know, the 100% version of perfection today. We can be learning and growing within these situations. That's how you become good at trust. All right. So I'm going to put a whole trust playlist for you down below in the description. And there is a trust rampage where you're repeating, I trust you, I trust you, I trust you. You can be using that in regards to I trust you source, or I trust you the person that you're thinking about, whatever you prefer. And it's really just building on that over time. Okay, so the trust playlist will be for you down below. And before I go, I just want to do a little shout out for Olu. You have joined the memberships again, and Cora King, welcome to the memberships as well. And you will now have access to the memberships videos. The memberships are there for you, those of you that want some extra help to have your personal questions answered, and to have some perks and some gifts and surprises that I do for the members only over time as you go month by month on the channel. And I will always, as you know, do the public videos for all of you here anyway. That will never change. Lots of love, and I will see all of you in the next video.